Hey folks, welcome back. A real quick video here. We've been doing a online multi-GP race series hosted by Soy FPV from the Pensacola Multi-GP group. Um, it's all online. It's kind of a stay-at-home series since we're all kind of locked in our own homes at this point in time. Uh, but something we've noticed is everybody's, or a lot of people's Velocidrone name is different than what their typical multi-GP name is. And I'm going to show you how to change that really easy. It's real quick and simple. Go to velocidrone.com, click login, go ahead and log into your account, go to account settings, and change your player tag right here on this box. As long as the name you want isn't already used, you can change it, but know that whatever your name was, if you do change it, is now freed up for anybody else to take. Hit save changes, log out. This change literally happened within less than 5 minutes in Velocidrone. Now my player tag is what my multi-GP name is. That's it. Quick and simple. I just wanted to throw that out there in case people were trying to figure it out. Like and subscribe if you're interested in the stay-at-home series. I'll put some links to the Pensacola group and Soy's Twitch page. If you want to take a look at that, join the group, or if you want to host a stay-at-home series for the people that you normally fly with, since you're probably locked out and your flying field's probably locked down, see what he's doing there. It's a real great idea. Get some flying in, the best we can do with what we got going on. All right, folks. Thanks for stopping by. Thanks for checking us out. Like and subscribe, and I will see you all next time. Keep flying virtually.